Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yesterday, I taught you infinitive and bare infinitive. Today, I will teach you gerund. It means first form plus ing. Use of gerund, where we can use gerund. First, these verbs are used as object by applying ing. It means जब हम जो नीचे वर्ब्स दी गई हैं जब इनके साथ आईएनजी का प्रयोग करेंगे तो ये वर्ब आईएनजी लगने के साथ एक किसी सेंटेंस के अंदर एक सब्जेक्ट का कार्य करती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल स्मोक, डांस, राइड, गैम्बल, राइट, रीड, प्ले, पेंट, स्विम, शॉप, परमिट, वॉक, ड्रिंक, क्वार्ल, एट्सेट्रा. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज स्मोकिंग इज बैड फॉर हेल्थ. इस वाक्य में स्मोक के साथ आईएनजी लगाने से ये जो स्मोकिंग है वो इस सेंटेंस के अंदर सब्जेक्ट का कार्य कर रही है. नेक्स्ट, स्विमिंग इज ए गुड एक्सरसाइज. स्विमिंग इन दिस सेंटेंस यूज्ड एज ए सब्जेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए वर्ब. जब ऑब्जेक्ट रूप में कार्य करती है इट मीन्स आई अवॉइड स्मोकिंग. स्मोकिंग इज वर्ब and when we will put ing then it works as a object. Next, she could not help laughing. Laugh is verb and we will put ing with it and works as a object. Next, as an object of a preposition. When we will find in any sentence preposition in non-finites, then we will put after preposition with verb ing. Come, it means coming. She was fined for coming late. In this sentence, for is a preposition. After that we will use always verb first form plus ing. Next, she is fond of listening music. Listen of also preposition and we will use with it ing, listening. Next, with it is no use, it is foolish, it is no good, used to, forward to and object to. We will use always with first form plus ing when we will find in any sentence it is no use, it is foolish, it is no good, used to, forward to and object to. It is no use. Cry or split milk, it means we will fill in the blanks with crying, so we will put here crying. Next, in this sentence cry is verb. I am used to visiting trade fairs. Visiting is verb, visit. Next, objective to is word, so we will use with give ing, giving me admission. Next, following verbs are followed by gerunds. We will use always gerund with these verbs: stop, finish, dread, prevent, avoid, risk, admit, deny, start, love, hate, recollect, resent, delay, postpone, defer, enjoy, fancy, imagine, forgive, pardon, excuse, suggest, keep, understand, consider, miss, involve, mind, admit, celebrate, like, dislike, forget, no, etc. For example, no parking. Here park and we will use with no first form plus ing, it means gerund. Next, please stop writing. Verb stop, so we will with it use write, it means writing. Sarita dislikes flying kite. Flying, fly verb. I avoid meeting Mohan. Meet, it means these, it means all words: no, stop, dislikes, avoid. We will use after that gerund, it means first form plus ing. Next, after adjectives, busy, old, new, worth. I am busy. Busy is also adjective, so we will use here verb first plus ing. It means gerund. Packing. This book is worth. Worth is also adjective, and we will use here reading. It means first form plus ing. Next, there are some verbs with which both gerund or to infinitive can be used. We can use gerund or infinitive both sentences, and the verbs are allow, advise, begin, continue, hate, learn, like, love, remember, start, attempt, intend, cannot, bear, prefer, forget, regret, permit, allow, advise, it needs, it requires, it waits, try, propose, mean, etc. We can say that when we will find in our final examination any verbs from these verbs, we will use first form plus ing or to plus verb first. For example, I hate waiting for trains. Hate. We will use with the waiting. It means first form plus ing, or I hate to wait for trains. To plus verb first. Both are rights. Next, Meera loves to sing. Loves to sing is right also, and Meera loves singing. It is also right. We can use to sing or singing. No problem. Next, with the infinitive, try means प्रयत्न करना. It means try means प्रयत्न करना. While with gerund it means प्रयोग करना या करके देखना. इसका कहने का अर्थ है कि जब सेंटेंस के अंदर ट्राई का अर्थ प्रयत्न करना हो और जिरंड का अर्थ हो प्रयोग करना या करके देखना, देन वी विल यूज विद ट्राई मीन्स प्रयत्न करना, टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म, एंड व्हेन मीन्स प्रयोग करना एंड करके देखना, वी विल यूज फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I tried to sleep but could not. It means I tried to sleep according to rule. Try means प्रयत्न करना. मैंने प्रयत्न किया सोने का, but could not sleep. लेकिन मैं सो नहीं सका. So we'll put here to plus verb first. And according to gerund, if you cannot sleep, try taking a sleeping pill. अगर आप सो नहीं सकते हैं तो जो स्लीपिंग की जो पिल है वो लें, उसका प्रयोग करें. सो विल यूज हेयर टेकिंग वर्ब फर्स्ट प्लस ing. नेक्स्ट, लाइक प्लस gerund मीन्स आनंद उठाना. इट मीन्स इंजॉय, तो विल यूज ing. इज दैट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, बट लाइक प्लस इन्फिनेटिव मीन्स चाहना, सहमत होना. इट मीन्स व्हेन वी विल फाइंड एनी सेंटेंस लाइक आनंद उठाना, enjoy, we will use in the sentence ing with verb first. But when like means चाहना, सहमत होना, we will use in this type of sentence to plus verb first. For example, I like swimming. It means enjoy. वो आनंद उठा रहा है स्विमिंग का, तो सो वी विल यूज हेयर स्विमिंग फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing. आनंद उठाना, इंजॉय लेना. बट इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई डिड नॉट लाइक टू डिस्टर्ब हर. डिस्टर्ब चाहना. आई डिड नॉट लाइक मीन्स चाहना. आई डिड नॉट लाइक टू डिस्टर्ब हर. मैं नहीं चाहता उसको डिस्टर्ब करना, एज शी वॉज स्लीपिंग, क्योंकि वो सो रही थी. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस लाइक चाहना, सो वी विल यूज हेयर टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेरी वेल? थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.